You guys ever have those mornings when you wake up, you just want to keep your eyes closed because it just feels so good. Like you just want to fall right back to sleep. That's one of those mornings. I was supposed to be up 15 minutes ago. Get up, Nick. All right, just took a shower, feel way better. It's just some of those mornings where you just like, dude, I don't want to get out of bed. Like the sleep was so good. Anyways, I'm gonna get dressed. My iPad has just got delivered to my door right now. And then we're gonna go set that thing up, go get a coffee going, and start our day.
Let's go.
Oh, and yesterday when I was walking into my front door last night, I also found these. So this is also very exciting. More mug boats, baby, woo! All right, let's see if it actually delivered. Oh, that's a big box for an iPad. There you go. Get a knife for this thing. What's laying around? Don't trust me with a knife. Some shipping labels, 1,000 pieces, iPad, bubble mailers. Oh, it actually came with a charging cable and stuff. That's cool. It's in good condition. Turns on. And we got 37% on it. Sweet. We'll go set this up in a little bit. We're gonna go clean up a little bit. All right, coffee time. We're basically out of that. Pack this puppy here. Put that lion's mane in there. A little bit of creamer. Set that puppy up. Cheers, good morning everybody. Hope everyone did have a great day. Nothing better. Let's go get this iPad set up, get my stuff onto that account, get Procreate, and then I can start designing again, kind of get my creative juices flowing. And you know, I'm excited. I'm really excited about this new part of my business. I used to do this all the time until my iPad broke. So I don't know why I haven't bought a $120 iPad, but here we are. Okay, totally off topic here. My mom, she bakes, she cooks, she's amazing. She baked me sourdough bread. So apparently sourdough bread's super good for you if you make it yourself. It's got a lot of good nutrients in it. So this is freaking amazing and I'm very, very, very happy. So off topic, but love you, mama. All right, so we're just letting the iPad charge. It is downloading Procreate right now and it will do a software update, but my room's a mess, okay? So we're gonna go clean that really quick. Like, I know it seems like a pain in the moment, and I know a lot of people have that same problem as me where they're like, it's fine, I don't need to clean my room. I'm single, no one watch it, no one looks at my room. It doesn't matter. It makes you feel better. So take the moment, maybe right now, you know, I'm not telling you what to do, but I'm telling you if you want to feel better and you haven't made your bed, go make your bed, maybe clean up the house a little bit. If you're feeling a little off, it's definitely gonna help you out. All right, so while we are waiting for the iPad to load, it's taking forever, honestly. I don't know, I guess it's a 2018. I should have guessed that it was gonna take a little bit of time for all this stuff to upload. So while that's uploading, we're gonna go get an FBA shipment out. I got more mug boats so I can ship more out, and then I'm also going to do some decals as well. So let's do it. Update on the court case. We have countered to $1,500 and we could go lower, but I need my money. Unfortunately, I just don't have time to wait around anymore. And I wish I could because I would like to get it lower, but $1,500, they have about $19,600 sitting in that account. take the $1,500. I learned, let's just get through this. I just think it's the best option. So I told him, all right, we'll settle for $1,500 and be done with it. So $900 for the attorney fees, $1,500 for them to settle it. So we're done. I don't know when I'm gonna get my money, hopefully soon. All right, I got some goat decals getting created right now. So I got that going. I got these two that I'm gonna do a time lapse on here, but I'm super hungry, so I'm gonna go make some food. So we're gonna go do that. But I also wanted to let you know, I fixed my plotter machine. You know how it wasn't cutting all the way through, and you see in some of my videos, I'm just struggling to de-weed? Well, I fixed the problem. It was literally one option because I was looking all over the software to try to figure out what's wrong with it. I guess for some reason, the option of the blade type had just disappeared, so it didn't know what blade was in the system. So I told it it's a 45-degree drag blade. Now it cuts all the way through. I don't know, like I just want to double check on this last cut, but this cut that I did yesterday for the USMC decal that you saw yesterday in the video, which I'll put right here, that video, it cut so nicely all the way through. It just wasn't cutting all the way through the design. It would kind of stop and it had to leave like a little space. So that's good, but let's go eat some food. I literally have no room in this place to have like a toaster, a microwave, a coffee machine all in one little spot because my kitchen's so small. So if it looks awful because I don't have room. But one day I will, and you will too, if you don't have one already. All right, it's missing two things. All right, you guys need to have cayenne pepper every single morning with your meals, okay? It helps reduce inflammation and gets your blood flowing. So very important. Have that, and then of course, sriracha with your eggs. Come on, people. What's wrong with you? Oh yeah. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I just had a fit. The decal plotter, when I told you that things were going good with it, did not go well. It didn't cut all the way through on a lot of the parts that you were just watching on that time lapse. And then I realized that the rest of mine didn't cut through. So I had to redo everything, throw away like 20 pounds of vinyl, and then I just made another cut, and it's still not that great, but we'll see right now. We'll do a time lapse and see if they turned out all right. So, woo! Sorry for the bad angle, guys, but it is so much better. As you can see, it's cutting all the way through. So we might have some luck here. I can't even lie, guys. That looks so freaking good. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So I did fix it, which is great. So I don't know really what happened last time. It just seemed like the cutter was cutting into the other design. So like first it was a pressure thing, and then it started to overlap the vinyl, like cutting over like the already cut pieces. And I was like, dude, what is going on? So I'm gonna stick with the layout that I have right now, like my cut file, and just keep cutting these 3 at a time and get these out. And I'm gonna send these off to Amazon. So super amped getting these all done, and yeah, enjoy the time lapse. All right, so I raised the pressure from 80 to 90 and it's even getting better. So I'm gonna maybe leave it at that. I might max go 100, but this is coming out really, really nice and a lot. If you didn't notice like how quick I did this one. So these next two should be really fast. And then we're going to put transfer tape over them. And then we're gonna start working on the mug boats and then we're gonna ship these out. All right, so we got these done here. Look at this freaking mess. I gotta get these orders out today. This was supposed to go out yesterday, but it did not. So I gotta get that out. I'm working on some cat decals right now. So it is cranking out the decals. And now I'm gonna go check out the iPad, see if it's done, and maybe we can make a few designs. Oh my gosh, I just edited 2 decals that I've had that I want to make the cuts a little bit more simple. And I wasn't able to really do that quickly with the laptop. Sorry, there's construction right out front. Took about, I don't know, an hour probably, but got 2 designs fixed. So hopefully that'll make the de-weeding quicker. I'm gonna go try to, maybe not now, but I'm going to at least upload them onto my laptop. And then we're gonna get back to our FBA shipments and get these mug boats out as well. Super amped on these lines. I made them a lot thicker. These are a lot thicker if you compare to this left to the right. So it made it a lot easier to de-weed. You can see all the little features if you pause the video, but yeah, you can definitely tell there's a lot more. I think there's more detail, and I think it's actually just a little bit cleaner. So super stoked on how it turned out. I'm going to do an at-home workout, and I also have to do a little PT for my knee. So I'm gonna go do that. So if you guys wanna watch, that's what I'm gonna do right now. I already know that that fast motion is gonna look so funny when I'm doing the back exercise. I hope you guys enjoy that. All right, so now we are going to fulfill some customer orders. I am starting to think that I'm not gonna be able to get FBA shipment out, but my buddy Mick, amazing dude, one of my best friends, he's one of the USPS drivers and he just picked up all my USPS packages, which is amazing. He's a godsend. If it wasn't for him, business would be so much harder. So did that, and then now we're gonna do the customer orders. And then after, if we don't get the FBA shipments out, we're gonna go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. All right, we are done. We got our orders in there. There wasn't a whole lot, but they are done. And now I am going to edit this video. So we're gonna stop today and we will have more to do tomorrow for sure. So if you're not subscribed, subscribe down below. I hope you guys are enjoying more of the videos of me talking and showing, you know, what I do day to day rather than just business, because that is kind of what it is all about, to show you the ins and outs of my business, but also my life. So I hope you guys enjoy. I will see you all tomorrow, but now let's go over yesterday's revenue to show you how much money we made. All right, so on eBay, we made $48.88. We made no sales on Shopify, so it was just Amazon at $285.24. Guys, we are just absolutely losing, but you know, it's all good. $334 made yesterday. You know, I still can't complain, but we are nowhere near where we're supposed to be. And I just found out I got a new competitor. So this is just tough and it's life, and that's just how business goes. And so it's a dog eat dog world, I've noticed. And I feel like sometimes I'm not really that dog that I'm supposed to be. I just feel like I try to not be as cruel, but you know, business is business. So I don't know what I got to do about this, but I got to figure out some ideas, guys. I mean, it's all about strategy. It's like a game of chess. So we gotta get our numbers up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great rest of your Wednesday. Happy 4th of July, guys. I will see you all tomorrow. Have a great night.